Microsoft. Comes NVIDIA. New market low. New market high.
Yo, 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 yo. Let's do this, guys.
NVIDIA.
Yes, sir. We making money today? Are we making money today? Let's go. All right, what happens? Holy fudge. Market open. 3, 2, 1. Whew, 15 cents. Got raped.
How you doing, everyone? Where's my money at? Let's get to the money, guys. ¿Dónde está mi fucking dinero? Unbelievable. What a start. Yeah. Let's make some money, guys. Where's my money at? PLTR, printing on shares. That's new normal. Every day we yeah. I'll So, man,
What's good, everybody?
how you doing, bro?
That's gonna be.
Where's my money at?
Right? Might be a might all chill, sit, laid back type of day. We'll see.
You know, if it comes in my clutches, I'm gonna burn.
That's it, babe. We're way too talented days to let it of the stock market. We know what we're doing.
That's it. Bro, I'm just waiting for opportunities. And I nail them. So far, ABG was looking not bad. And now it has pulled back a lot. Never mind.
It's Mr. J Money's happy birthday today. J Money's birthday. Let's go. Right? Mr. Nick said, I usually trade daily, but today I was busy and she went insane trading today using 15,000. Bro, holy moly, holy shit. She made fucking 450 fucking grand? Bro, she made 450. What the fuck you doing? Fucking, you should pass the reins to your miss. Bro, at that stage, you should just accept it. Be like, all right. You see what I'm saying? At that, bro, you just go, darling, whatever you say, I'll do. Nah, for real. Desk, wipe the desk before she wakes up and get her tea and coffee fucking ready, bro. What the fuck you doing? Hey, chat, man. Hey, I'm telling you, bro. Girls usually become, because we have the data to back this up, and I can make this claim. Girls usually become so much better traders than men. All sometime, and it's not ideal. Men got too much ego, and with girls, there's one thing, bro. Girls know when they're wrong. All right, it's different when you with a girl she'll never admit, but when they're by themselves, they know they fucked up. So they take a loss, like quick. Hey girls, am I wrong? You guys know when you fuck up. You're like, all right, man, all right, it's my fucking fault. All right, sweet.
But they don't admit, bro.
Yeah, in front of people, there's no way in the world.
Alright, checking in the video, guys. The video for LTP calls.
AMD had earnings. So Nvidia's IV might be high, but yeah, I gotta keep an eye on this AMD if it gets to this 500 mark. I'm sitting back for now, to be honest. I wanna pay attention to this in AMD if it gets near 5. Nvidia hit 0.5. I'm pretty sure with the way the chart looks. Nvidia's at 0.5 FV.
Yeah. Look at the market.
Layla Rashid, I I see you heard that. You're also gonna hear the things that come after it. the, the, sit back. Very good.
I'm sitting waiting patiently. Not right yet.
Yes. I'm usually very I usually don't usually try to do get up answer normal answer for people who are total beginners, because like they're just starting out, we haven't had the banter yet. Hey, we don't have the banter yet, so I don't joke around too much. um but everybody just know, when the market is open, when the work is open, we play around. All right. Lisa, thought you were gonna say when the market is open, so the very good. Lisa,
Oh my god, look at the video on board.
we hit 0.5 Feb.
Yeah.
Issue what like
I will keep an eye on this Microsoft. Let's see if stay contained. I will be I'm talking to myself at this stage.
sitting back way. Chat, if you guys see something, let us know.
Look at the spy, bro. Waiting for 7800 rejection.
I wanna see if AMD touches a 500 mark, man. If we can get a little rejection around the 500, I'd love to see it in first 15 minutes of the market open, because that's when the IV and all that dropping. On the 498 could be, but it's not SPX, where we can do basketball. All right, he said spy calls like hell. Darling, what am I missing? PLTR, not contained, Tesla, no entry, SPY. I don't know about SPY. I'm pretty sure this pullback looks a little bit ugly. It hasn't hit the charts did reset itself on 938 candle.
Yeah.
940 candle gave a PC, but has 7777 at the top. Meh.
A spy is about to make a ORB in this candle. A little pop I get, I'm gonna fucking short it.
Right. Because I'm pretty
Triple
sure,
seven is a level.
yeah, the market might be a little bit 30 minutes. We will pick up a trend. That's for sure. And when the market's near all-time high, you'll see there's very hardly any days where the market stays in the range. It will pick up a trend either for the upside, downside, but maybe the trend picks up an hour later into the market open. I mean, I don't know if anybody remembers when the market was doing this shit where every day it was trending, but it was trending a little bit later in the afternoon. Anybody remember that? Um, So around the all-time highs, that's often the case where it will trend. Some people are going to take profit, some people are going to jump in because of FOMO. Uh, but we just gotta imagine if early morning you take too many unnecessary losses, and in the afternoon or in a little bit later hour into the market open, the market trends, and now you do not have the capital to be able to, um, you know, utilize that move or capitalize that move. Because I'm pretty sure you guys know it's not a loss that hurts us, it's when you miss out. Last 30 seconds. So, last 30 seconds essentially is do not look for a setup within last 30 seconds of the candle. Makes life a little bit more easier. And there's another thing, one more thing. Remember how for QQQs, when I was journaling and backtesting yesterday, how we took the trade at the bounce of this 8 minute, yeah, the yesterday entry, the first entry was that patience candle that eventually formed, that was a massive patience candle. I don't know if I would have taken that patience candle trade. So all-time high market is making so aggressive moves. It's a good idea to buy calls when the candle is still red with a critical level at the bottom. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's a good, roughly around. It's a good idea to take bounces of critical levels. Then you can add to the trade a little bit later because the patience candles get a little bit wider. Um, so we're just, adjusting the way that we trade um, based off the information that we have. Video pulled back heavy. I broke the premium. Come on, AMD, get your ass to 15 minutes of the market open is done. Get your ass to 500. It will be good whack-a-mole strategy in a way. Whack-a-mole strategy, for people who do not know what that is just like the game. If it makes a new high of the day, the previous high of the day is sitting at 498.4. If it makes a new high of the day, we try to slam it. Everybody know that? For people who do not know, we try to slam it because there's a critical level 500 sitting at the top. We'll try to just smack it a little bit. And if SPY sits below, and for people with small accounts, you should not do AMD, yes. Um, it can hurt a little bit because the IV is high. The contracts might seem expensive, but they won't hurt you as bad if you're in the right direction. Just letting you know, probably 20% if the trade don't work. Spreads are wide though, so gotta do mid price rather than fuck those spreads as wide as my ex fucking hell. We'll try to do mid price or try to do limit. Or we'll try to do limit on it. But what my ex said to me that um,
he said
saving
why?
myself. No, she said I'm saving myself for the marriage. Then turned out she was just saving her for me after marriage, but she fucked every other dude. Hey. She's like, for you, only after marriage, but for everybody else, come on in.
Gates are open.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like, lady, what did I ever do to you? Okay.
Little risky, guys. Kiki calls little risky because of the candle, but Kiki calls looks nice.
Yeah. The freaking AMD contract so insane, man.
Yep, I'm in.
490
Kiki calls.
490 contracts is what I'm watching, guys. I'm watching 490 contracts, or probably 500 contracts. They're in the money though. Uh, 500 is here for this AMD right now. I see a little bit of rejection.
Order partially filled.
Come on. Scream out loud on contract. Very good.
Order partially filled.
I got small size on this 3 contracts because 500 puts AMD literally at the money. I just want to see how this 500 reacts. Will it become a solid area of resistance and we see a leg down, or do we just fuck around here and go? Let's see if it breaks 500 one more time. I'll do the contract's down $30. Contract's holding value so good. No, my bad. Still in. Let's see, 500 breaks. It's gonna be quick. Fuck! Holy moly! Yeah, fuck with. Come on, get your ass down. That shit went.
Damn.
Let's see if the ORB breaks.
I'm still in queues. It's holding. Oh fuck! Shave off, guys.
Yeah, might be this AMD might look for a. Let's see if the ORB 498.4. I want to see it break below 500 again.
No, I'm out.
500, come on. Oh, darling, take a little bit off.
Partially filled.
Fuck, boy, this bitch. Holy moly, holy hello, darling.
Order filled.
Oh my goodness.
That was fast.
Absolutely beautiful. You understand beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Come on.
Nailed it, Sumesh.
That's way too good. Okay.
Took off. Where the runners, Sumesh?
I got one runner. We didn't have 2 big positions for the first trade of the day. Still made like $500 of the 2 contracts and have 1 runner running. Bro. Like, hey, you know, what's a word? Where's Kalina? You here? Let me see if Kalina is here. No, she's not here. Very nice. What's a word? Right? Visit. You understand?
Who was it?
A fucking visit. Good trade. Good trade, chat. Good trade. So I wish I had more. Nah, bro. First trade of the day.
I'm supposed to go $8.
Bro, if I make an Instagram video about this setup, just this setup, I made one Instagram video on just AMD. You take that fucking trade, and you hold your runners. I think SPY might be, but there's a critical level sitting on the bottom on this QQQs and all that shit. So maybe a good idea to wait for a second. But SPY might be a good little rejection play here, but we can wait. Oh my goodness, that contract's so freaking nuts.
Bro, you
Little
nailed it.
500 contracts up, $600. Holy.
$10 rejection.
Oh. Yeah. I'm sitting back, yo. I'm sitting back. There's too much critical level sitting at the bottom on this QQQs. I'm sitting back. We'll have a look later. Said, how did you know? Bro, I explained the setup. That's how I know. Do you know what's a pre-market video? Don't watch my... You watch the funny cat videos on Instagram, don't you? Like a funny cat video. Ha 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 ha. But you don't watch my videos.
Bro, Microsoft puts looks nice. Stop loss is really tight. 488.83.
The Microsoft stop loss is tight. What does the 5-minute chart look like? $400 moving average at the bottom. We're sitting literally 489.07. But if your entry is below that, entry is going to be below the 488.8. I like the candle at the bottom, man. The wick on the bottom looks like shit.
Yeah, but I like 490.5, ATMA and pivot point, Fibonacci and traditional.
Yeah, looks decent below 488.8. You're right. Microsoft, we'll see. It's so many critical levels sitting at the bottom on this QQQs. Even though SPY bouncing this aggressive has not made Microsoft bounce, which is not bad. If it's below 489, stop loss on the other side of 489.8. There is a VIX at the bottom, but we might see a VIX fill. There's a news coming in 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So we'll see if it gets below 489 for probably 485 puts, let's say. There is a 400 moving average sitting at 489.11. The entry is gonna be below that one, bro. Watching Microsoft below 489 for 485 puts.
Order partially filled.
I don't usually trade Microsoft, but hey,
Order filled.
we'll see, I guess. Bryce is no, Bryce is gonna be. She's gonna be like, I told you so. The trade no one's like, I told you so. Okay, let's see. So far, the SPY got above the VWAP SPY. Come on, darling, get your ass down. the rebar. Give me one leg down. Targeting low of the day 47.2. Stop
Break
loss
even
is
stop
gonna be
loss
about-
on AMD.
Yeah, AMD stop loss is break even, but a stop loss on Microsoft is probably 489.8. Let's say that's roughly the point where we will know. Okay, we are wrong. Definitely, the prices seems to be bouncing here at the 400 moving average, and also the hourly level. No.
If this news goes in our favor, Microsoft gonna flush because green candles on SPY is making no move on Microsoft.
Let's see. Let's see, babe. We're good. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't go, it doesn't go.
No, the stop loss will start.
That's it, bro. What next? So far looking good. What next?
Pro risky trade. I shouldn't be saying it.
There's news coming in 40 seconds, right? I think the play that we should keep an eye on roughly is going to be if, let's say, SPX around the news time, it bounces close to the 7,800 mark, because the news, it kind of gets there, really, really quick, and then we slam it.
That's
that
what I
could
was
be-
about to say.
Yeah, just because of the news move, and then the critical level at the top, basketball. But no, we're not doing early entries till $10 away. We're just based off the news. News coming out in 5 seconds. Have your orders ready to go just in case if this Microsoft goes against you. Okay. Ooh la 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 moly. Oh, come on. Bro, what happened on spot? Switch to 5-minute charts, yes. A 5-minute candle on Microsoft closed below the 400 moving average, which is a good sign. Can I get 488 break? Try to get touch the 488 before. The bids are kind of looking weak a little bit. If bids break below 488, we should see ask kind of, especially with the market kind of looking like this. 48, that should, I think, it should be pretty quick. Then it'll be kind of wick fill. Wick fill is just like the wick that we saw previously on the candle. Wick fill essentially is where the stop losses usually are and the prices go down really quick.
Yeah.
What's your fill price? Hey, what's your fill price on Microsoft? What's your fill price, sir? Somebody said 1.42. Very good. What you slept through? 1.47? Oh my goodness. Chat, what happened? You had a nap before you pressed the button? Mine is 138 with a power of 7 at the top. So what that means? 1.39. It won't be a power, it's just like a little cent. Microsoft.
She's now making new low. Look at QQQ.
And I know the SPY freaking going, darling. Microsoft, fuck you. Price? I know what you mean.
Fucking hell.
This thing doesn't want to move.
Do it, let's stop loss.
right. Anyway, the AMD is going. By the way, who's still in AMD? Talent? Anybody still in that AMD? That AMDing right now, right? Hey, hold that bitch. Hold that bitch. If
Also,
that breaks
banks are
open,
red.
yeah, if that breaks open price, the daily candle becomes the red candle. We should see quick leg down. I want to just see a date on Microsoft. It's tried once. The second time we'll try a little bit. Will be more aggressive. More aggressive.
So Jake,
What's up, dude? Hey, bro, I freaking messed up and I scheduled my truck for today. Can you still take just a few loads today?
yeah, I can. I know my guys are just gonna stripping their forms and then, yeah, but we can take a few loads.
Start taking. Okay. The foundation guys are saying that you don't need any dirt. I mean, I think you do, but I don't know if
No,
there's
we need a
space for it, so-
tons. We need tons.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'll talk to them then.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, man.
Bye bye.
Does Microsoft need to get blood for idiot? This stupid bitch. Fucking dog.